Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So with everybody doing the bulk of their shopping, obviously online, I was creeping on Target's website recently and I about died. They've got so many beautiful dresses for spring and summer coming out. Oh my gosh. Soft, flirty colors, just beautifully feminine styles, and they're all under 30 bucks. So we're going to do a try on and walk through some of my favorites, and everything you see in today's video will be listed and linked down below. So we are going to dive right into it. All right, so this first one was such a surprise for me that I was even drawn to it, because normally I'm like just not into tie-dye, but I am into yellow this season. Like yellow, for whatever reason, is like my spirit animal. And I saw this cottony tie-dye maxi dress and just fell in love with it. And I have to be honest with you, like once I got it in my hands, I started loving it even more. If you are a shorter individual like I am, I'm only 5'4.5", you are going to love this, because although it is a maxi, it's going to hit you like a couple inches above the ankle, so it's not going to be like dragging on the floor like most maxi dresses do when you are shorter or more petite. And again, just love the cotton fabrication. It's totally on trend for spring and summer with that tie-dye pattern. And it does have like the crew neck and, you know, just like a very low-key, laid-back vibe to it. Super comfortable on. Now I will say, if you are in the early stages of maternity, check this sucker out, because it does have a little bit of give to it. It's not gonna like carry you through the entire pregnancy, but I think you might be able to like squeeze into this for a couple weeks. Just beautiful. It's simple, it's easy. I love throwing it on under a denim jacket too, just to like add that lightweight layer to get you through those cool summer nights and spring nights too, and even to carry you into the fall season. But again, just like the detail on this, let me see if I can show you. It does have like this cute little slit on the side there. Let's do that again. It does have a cute little slit on the side, just like very nondescript, super low key. Like I said, it's just like you throw this on and you are out the door without like having to think about anything. Now this next one, I knew the minute I saw it online that I was going to fall in love, because I love me a good white cottony summer dress, and this guy here was like, hello. Look at the sweet details on this dress. Just such a thoughtful design. It's so breezy. Like, I love how fresh it looks. It reminds me of like a warm summer day. And just again, like the cotton fabrication feels so good in the warmer months. Now, this does have a lining. And I want to show you guys something about the lining. It does have, it's kind of like a polyester type lining, so it doesn't feel like the cottony fabrication of the actual dress. This is a little bit heavier. I'm typically not crazy about linings like this, but I will say I appreciate the fact that it helps alleviate that see-through quality. Like, you don't have to worry about showing off too much that you don't want to be showing off when you're wearing this dress. Now again, it does have the elastic sleeves. It is 3/4 length, and you do have the buttons here, but literally it's just like throw on. It's a pull on type style, so you don't have to worry about fiddling with these to make sure you can stay in tight. Now it does have the tiered detailing, which again, just like so kicky, so fun. I love the idea of jacking this up with heels for date night, but you could just as easily throw it on with a pair of wedges. Keep it super low key for like a random Monday, like when you're out running errands. Love, love, love this. I feel like dresses like this, you just get endless use out of them, right? Like they're just timeless. You can wear it into the fall, given the fact that you do have a little bit longer of a sleeve. And these are actually really nice in the summertime too. So this just gives you nice extra coverage when you are out in the sun, so you don't have to worry so much about your arms burning. All right, so along those same lines, just like very soft, feminine for the summertime, I fell in love with this pink Oh my gosh, tiered ruffle dress. You guys, this is so beautiful in person. This is a cotton fabrication. It feels super cool and breezy, almost like gauzy. And this definitely gives you a lot of room if you are maternity. Great option for that. In fact, while this was true to size, I definitely was thinking, I think I'm gonna take this to like a tailor just to see if they could like bring it in the back to give me a little bit more definition in the waist. But one thing I did want to show you, as compared to that white dress when it comes to linings, this is also lined, but the lining on this I feel is way more substantial in the fact that it just feels higher quality, because while it is a polyester cotton lining, it feels more cottony. Where is the lining? It's hiding in here. Here it is. See what I'm saying? How it's just thinner than that white one. That white one was very thick. It felt and looked more like straight up polyester. Whereas this, because it is a polyester cotton blend, it's gonna give the illusion that it looks and feels more like cotton. I just feel, again, it's just something to give it more of like a higher end touch. But as you can see in the back, it is just that little keyhole with the button back right at the nape of the neck. Super easy to get in and out of. It's just so breezy. Oh my gosh, listen, I love this dress. The color of it is so beautiful. It's just so soft, so feminine. I mean, you could wear this for so many different occasions. So in my excitement over these dresses, it just dawned on me that I totally skipped over this little guy here, and we need to talk about this one. Oh my goodness. Okay, first of all, this is 100% cotton, which has its pros and its cons. I feel like it's way more higher quality. It just feels high quality. But remember, because it is 100% cotton and it's all those natural fibers, it is gonna have a tendency to wrinkle easier than, let's say, a cotton poly blend. So even I just didn't feel like whipping out the iron. I hit it with the steamer and I didn't get like all the little wrinkles out. But to me, it's worth it just to have that 100% cotton fabrication. This also, oh my gosh, with the pockets, so darling. That mint color, just again, so fresh and fun for the summertime, for the spring. Now it does have a zipper on the side here, right along the rib cage. And I would warn you, like if you are blessed up top in the bust area, you might want to size up for this. In fact, you might want to size up twice, because I'm normally a size 4 in dresses. And because this is 100% cotton, I went up to a 6, and I'm glad I did, because it was definitely fitted in the bodice area. But just super pretty detailing on this. Love the fact that it has that defined waist. Of course, the sleeveless look, so perfect for the warmer months. And then in the back, it's just that classic, like almost 50s Grace Kelly vibe. Oh my gosh, so in love with this dress. And again, this is one of those options where you can dress it up, you can dress it down, throw it on with heels and some pearls for date night, or just like throw on a simple pair of sandals and you're out the door to do whatever you need to do on like a random weekend. And last but not least, this coral colored number here. This hits so many trends that we're seeing for spring and summer, namely the smocking on the bodice. I've talked about smocking before, and just to reiterate, smocking can be your best friend for many different reasons. If you are busty up top, smocking is going to be what gives you that give that you need. And if you're less than blessed, it also is just going to give you a more fitted look. So again, it doesn't really matter like what your body shape is. Smocking tends to always work in your favor. And of course, with that squared off neckline, seeing that so much this season, this is just a super pretty, darling midi dress. Love the little puff to the sleeve, and I totally appreciate the fact that the sleeves, it does have like a little button and a proper cuff. No elastic on these guys, which I love. Very breezy, very kicky. This is another one. It does have pockets, which I just love pockets on dresses. I think they're so sweet. Fits like a dream. There is no zipper situation. You just throw it on your head, you're out the door. Now this is lined, so this is gonna give you that little bit of extra coverage when you need it, which is always a good thing. And very similar to this pink dress, the lining does look and feel more like cottony than it does that heavy polyester. Okay, I cannot wait to hear from you guys, like which of these styles are your favorites. Again, I'm just so impressed overall with the quality of these items, given the price points, like under $30, are you kidding me? They're gorgeous. So can't wait to hear your feedback. And of course, I hope you guys are all doing well. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.